Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really happy to be back again. In the first video, talk about how to get started with the basic of Swiss programming language. So when you can understand about it, so now for this tutorial, we'll talk about the function in Swiss programming language. And I will talk about how to declare a function, how to declare a function with argument, and declare with default value, and return type of the function. Yeah, okay, let's go ahead to create together. Okay, as the previous video, using the online playground Swiss to write code and testing. So you can, if you forgot the URL, you can go to below this video. You will see the URL of the playground online for Swiss. So you can click it and open it. Okay, here. Here is online Swiss playground. You can see this is URL. Okay, so here it will so like this. Okay, so we can get started together. The first thing I want to show you is how to declare a function. You know what is a function? I think all of you know about the definition of a function. Actually, in the Swiss programming language, a function is defined by a keyword func. Okay, so let me tell you about the definition of a function in Swiss programming language. A function is a set of statements organized together to perform a specific task. So in Swiss programming language, function can be as simple as a simple C function to as complex as an Objective-C language function. It allows you to pass local and global parameter value inside the function call. Okay, actually function have two parts that you need to remember. One is function declaration and another one is function definition. What is function declaration? The function declaration is tell the compiler about the function name, a return type, and the parameter. And for function definition, it provides an actual body of a function. It means the function body. Yeah, in Swift, function contain parameter type and it return type. Okay, so we're getting started together. In Swiss, we can declare a function by defining keyword f and au like this. So when you enter, it will show the placeholder of the function. So the first one, you need to declare a keyword when you want to create a function. The keyword that used to create a function in Swiss is func. And the next one is function name that you can put something like I can say get net. Okay, here is a parameter, but I want to show you about the function that no parameter first. Okay, here is a function that I can call it by saying get name like this. So when I run it, it sees nothing. It sees nothing to print because in the function body have nothing. So the function is empty. So let's try to print it out. Line of code. Let's say my name is okay. So when I run it again, it will print it out because here when we write like this, it's called the function here. Okay, I think it's important that yeah, like this function. Okay, I think it's simple to understand. So the next one I want to show you how to declare a function with argument. You can say parameter. So different from the normal function in here. You can put argument parameter in here. I can say name a string because we need to define data type to the parameter to the argument that you pass it to the function by here. So I want to pass name a string. So I can put the name display in here in this. So when I call it, I need to put the name into it. I can say sorry engine. Oh, sorry. Like this. So when I run it again, okay, as you can see here, I can change it to the coding and run it. If it's so like this, because we pass the value through the parameter through the argument, so it will pass to the function body. Okay, I think you understand because it's simple. Okay, let's go ahead to the function that help return time. So it's not, I think it's not complicated to understand. In here, we need to put like this return. It means we need to get the value from the function. So here, this sign minus and a row sign like this. So what data type that you need to get the function value back? So I need the string. So the function will return a values data type a string back when we call it. Okay, let me show you about it. When we try to return it, you need to use the keyword return a string back. You can say return name is name. So when I call it, I need to assign a variable to it. I can say name. So when I print it, so when we write like this, it means the function will return this string into the variable. So when I print the name, okay, it is already because I did not change something. I can say Lurica. So when I run it, okay, as you can see, because it return a value to the variable here. So when we trying to print the variable out, it will show the string that return from a function. Okay, I hope you understand what I explained you to understand about the switch function. If you have any question, you can ask me below this video or contact me by Facebook or my website. I hope you comment in here because it's fast and easy to reply back. Okay, and if you have any idea to create a tutorial, you can suggest me below this video or send to my email. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share if you like this video. I hope you subscribe my channel because the next video I will continue to introduce you more about the class in Swiss programming language. So when I explain all the something that you need to learn before you getting started to build an iOS application, you need to learn the basic of Swiss programming language. So I hope you subscribe my channel to get the video one by one to getting started of iOS development. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Good luck. See you in the next video and I hope you enjoy this.